How to play Undertale in full screen 2025 only way. Most people get this wrong, but playing Undertale in full screen in 2025 is easier than you think. You won't believe how a small tweak can transform your experience. Start by launching Undertale on your PC. Most versions default to windowed mode. Press Alt-Enter to toggle full screen instantly. This works on both Steam and standalone versions. If that shortcut doesn't work, open the game's configuration file in your installation folder. Look for Undertale INI and check for full screen. Change it to full screen and save the file. Restart the game, and it should launch in full screen mode. Adjust your resolution if needed. Right-click on the executable, or use Steam's properties to force a resolution matching your monitor for a crisp display. Some players forget this step, but it prevents stretch graphics or black bars. In conclusion, playing Undertale in full screen in 2025 involves using the Alt-Enter shortcut or modifying the configuration file. These steps make your gameplay fully immersive, letting you enjoy the story and battles without distraction.